Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Today, let we start GK Unit 5, The World Around Us. Chapter number 14, Women of Substance. These are some women who are noted for their remarkable achievements. Match their pictures with the clues by writing the correct letter in the boxes. Now, question number 1. An engineer and the first woman space tourist to fly to the International Space Station. One of the greatest jazz singers of all time and winner of 12 Grammy Awards. I. Member of the British royal family who was known for her philanthropic work. So she D. A, B, C, D. Number 4. As stem cell research scientist, she created history by creating the first lab grown heart. So number 4 is C. Doris Taylor. So the option is C. She became the first woman to win an individual face in Formula One racing. The chairperson and chief executive officer of PepsiCo, one of the world's leading food and beverage companies. So option is J. Indra Kenui. Question number 7. A Mexican artist who survived childhood polio and begging began painting to escape her lifelong pain. Considered one of the greatest artists of the 20th century. So the answer is Doris Taylor. An anthropologist who studied salmon culture and paused society to rethink how it looked at adolescence. The answer 8 is B. Margaret Meads. Indian politician and a 5-time member of parliament, became the first woman speaker of the Lok Sabha in India. G. Who is Meera Kumar. 10. A renowned Carnatic vocalist and the first musician to be awarded the Bharat Ratna. F. Anushish Ansari. F. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 41. Where are we? Test your knowledge of the physical geography of the world. Choose from the help box and write in the correct boxes. अफ्रीका. चलिए अब इनमें से सर्च करके इन अफ्रीका फर्स्ट वन है. Mount Kilimanjaro. Okay, and the next one is river. Zamzoi. Next one, lake. Tongyaka. And the next one is Atlas Mountains. Okay, next one is Asia. Jog Falls. Okay, and the next one is Mount Everest, River Huang Ho. Okay, and also two things. So Gobi Desert, Lake Deccan.
They adding on the where did he say?
Great Dividing Range, and next two things is Walaman Falls, Great Victoria Desert. Walaman Falls, and last one is Great Victoria Desert. Great Victoria Desert, Europe. Next one is Europe, Mont Blanc. Okay, and the next one is Riverina. And the next one is Alps Mountains. Andes Mountains की Alps. Alps Mountains, Pyrenees Mountains, Alps Mountains, this one, Pyrenees Mountains. And North America. Next one, North America, Mount Amphikinle. Okay, and the next one is River Mississippi, Great Basin Desert. Okay, and which desert? Great Basin Desert. Great Basin Desert. Okay, and the two things are there, which Lake Superior and Rocky Mountains. Lake Superior and Rocky Mountains. South America. लास्ट वन है. सो साउथ अमेरिका में क्या क्या है? माउंट एकोनेकागुआ. Okay, and the next one is next one thing is Atacama Desert. Okay, and the next thing is River Amazon, Angel Fall,
I get that's
Angel Fall, and the last thing is
Atlas Mountain.
Andes Mountain. Andes Mountain. ओके तो ये यहाँ पे ये चीज़ें हैं. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 42. Leaders of the 20th century. Martin Luther King Jr., he was an American civil rights leader. He fought for the rights of black people, now called Afro-Americans in America. He was convinced that the best way for them to win their rights was to break law in a non-violent way. His I Have a Dream speech inspired millions. He was awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. Jomo Kenyatta became the first Prime Minister of Kenya when it achieved independence from Britain in 1963. The following year, he became the first president of the Republic of Kenya, so which was then named after him. The spelling remained the same, only the pronunciation changed from Kenya to Kenya. He remained in office till 1978 and moved to bring stability and prosperity to the country. Okay. Vladimir Ilyich Lenin. He took the name Lenin from the river Lena in Siberia. He is the best remembered leader of the Russian Revolution of 1971. He was a leader of the Bolshevik Party, later known as the Russian Communist Party. He overthrew the Kazakh government and gradually gained power and support. Finally, in October 1970, we established the first communist government in the world. Mao Zedong. Mao Zedong, or chairman of Mao as he came to be known, was the leader of the Chinese Revolution of 1949. He led a civil war against General Chiang Kai-shek, who was supported by the USA but had almost no support among his own people. After the overthrow, the generals Reagan and the revolution was over, the People's Republic of China came into being. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, he was the founder of Pakistan. He and his party, the Muslim League, believed that Muslims should have a separate country. Jinnah died of tuberculosis soon after the creation of Pakistan. He is revered all over Pakistan and is called with the title of Quaid-e-Azam. Identify the leaders of 20th century and name them. Name is not here. चलिए रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं. ये है फर्स्ट वन इज एडोल्फ हिटलर. Okay. Now number 2 is Clement Attlee. Okay, now next number 3 is he is Desmond Tutu. Indira Gandhi. नेक्स्ट वन जवाहरलाल नेहरू, जिनको हम शॉर्ट में बोल देंगे JL नेहरू. Number 6, who is he? Joseph Stalin. Mahatma Gandhi. Number 8, who is he? Menachem Begin. Gorbachev. Number 10 is Nelson Mandela. Number 11, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Patel. Okay, and the 12, Winston Churchill. Okay, everyone. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 43. Being in business. Match the clues about these famous people from the world of business with their names by writing the correct letters in the box. British entrepreneur, head of Virgin Group Limited. Option H. इसमें आएगा this one. Number 2, CEO of the HSBC Bank in India. She is the first Indian woman to graduate from the Harvard Business School. So she is Naina Lal Kidwai. CEO of Microsoft Corporation since January 2000. Answer number 3 is B. Option is G. Which one? D is Samuel M. Walton. Okay, question number 4 is India businessman who transformed Delhi Land and Finance Limited into one of India's largest real estate development firms. He played a lead role in transforming Gurgaon into an outsourcing hub. So, who is C? Kushal Pal Singh. C. Option C आएगा इसमें कुशल पाल सिंह. The president and CEO till 6 September 2011 of Yahoo, one of the most popular global internet services company. Number 5 option is number 6. The Metro Man of India. He has been the managing director of Delhi Metro since its inception. 6 option is A. E. Sridharan. Option is A. Number 7. The managing director CEO of ICICI Bank, India's largest private bank and the second largest bank in the country. So the 7 option is B. Chanda Kochar. This one. B. American retail magnate who founded Walmart stores and developed it into the largest retail sales chain in the United States. D. Samuel M. No. American retail magnate who founded Walmart stores. This one is done. This one is done. This also done. This also done. Naresh Goyal Jobs. GF. GN. F. E. Option E. Steve Ballmer. Option E. Co-founder of Apple Inc. and a pioneer of the personal computer era. Option is G. Stephen P. Jobs. H. Richard Branson. The option is G. Last one. 10. The founder chairman of Jet Airways, a premier airline in India. So the option is who is ABC? Naresh Goyal. G. Stephen P. Jobs. Sorry. Naresh Goyal. F. Everyone. The chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 44. Living wildlife. Write the names of these national parks and wildlife reserves. Choose from the box. 44. 1. Situated in France along its border with Spain, it has a lot of natural beauty. It is named after the region in which it lies. So the name is Pyrenees. Number 2. Situated in South Africa, it is one of the largest game reserves in the country. So the number 2 is number 3. Situated in the state of Manipur in the India. So the park is a swamp with a floating mass of vegetation. It protects the endangered brow and antler deer or the dancing deer locally called Sangai. So the Kibul Lamjo. It is the oldest national park in Nepal and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The park is a popular destination for eco tourists. So the number 4 is Chitwan. Number 5. Situated in Namibia, a salt pen forms a large part of it. So the number 5 is Etosha. Named after the Queen of England, it is Uganda's most visited game reserve. The park is also famous for its volcanic features. Number 6, the name is Queen Elizabeth. Number 7, a wildlife reserve in Kenya. It is named after the traditional inhabitants of the region. So it is Masai. Situated in the United States of America, it is famous for its many geothermal features, especially the Old Father Geyser. The park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So number 8 is Yellowstone. Number 9, this national park in New Zealand is named after a Dutch explorer who in 1642 sighted the region. So it is situated in Brazil. It is named after the capital of the country, Brasilia. Situated in Ecuador, it is named after the volcano which lies within its boundaries. So the number 11 answer is Cotopaxi. Situated in Tanzania, it is UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is famous for the annual migration of wild beast and zebra. So it is Serengeti. Everyone, the chapter is in here. Now we let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 40. A number of international organizations have been set up to deal with issues that concern the world in general rather than the interest of individual countries. So can you name these organizations? So let me start. Number 1, it was set up in 1961 and is the world's largest conservation organization. Its main aims are to protect endangered animals and places where they live. World Wide Fund for Nature. Number 2, it was founded in 1949, Washington, USA. The foreign minister of 10 countries signed a defense treaty that committed them to helping each other in the event of attack. Okay, so there are now 26 UNO members, 26 country members, and the headquarters are based in Belgium. So this is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. North Atlantic Treaty Organization में थोड़ा short में लिख दूंगी, ठीक है? Organization. Number 3, it was established in 1945. It aims to preserve economic stability, okay, to tackle or prevent financial crisis. Its focus has now switched to the developing world. So it is International Monetary Fund. Monetary Fund. International Monetary Fund. Number 4, it is a part of the UN. It promotes health matters worldwide and aims to raise medical standards and monitor diseases. So this is World Health Organization, WHO.
Hey, you want this somewhere? I think it's up here. Baby, is it here? Baby.
World Health Organization. It was founded in 1944 and has 184 member countries. It helps developing countries by giving loans. So it is World Bank. Number 6, it is a charitable organization set up in 1961. It campaigns for human rights throughout the world and against the detention of political prisoners. This is Amnesty International.
All okay. Beaking articles.
Number 7, it was set up in 1946. It encourages countries to get together on matters such as education, culture, and science. So the answer is UNESCO. It was founded in 1945. Number 8. Most countries of the world, a total of 192 are members. Its General Assembly makes decision about peace, keeping and human rights. So, ये है United Nations. The Swiss-based organization encourages international trade by establishing trade agreements between countries. So, this is World North-Atlantic Organization. The last one, it was set up in 1951 for its work on behalf of refugees around the world. It was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1955 and again in 1981. UNHCR. UNHCR. Okay. So everyone, chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 46. Net Sebi. These are some of the stars of the world of internet. Name them. Pick the answer from the help box. He founded Facebook with his classmates Eduardo Severin, Dustin Moskovitz, and Chris Hughes at Harvard University. Today, Facebook has more than 300 million active users worldwide. Name him Mark Zuckerberg. Twitter, created in 2006, is a social networking website that allows its users to send short messages called tweets. Name the creator of Twitter who has been called one of technology's best and brightest by Business Week. So, ये है Jack Dorsey. Along with Jack Smith, he created Hotmail in 1996, one of the first free web-based email system which attracted over 1 million subscribers worldwide just 6 months after its launch. Whom are we talking about? So, ये है Sabir Bhatia. Number 4, one of the most popular video sharing website is YouTube, now owned by Google Inc., who founded YouTube along with Steve Chen and Javed Karim. So the answer is, in May 2003, he released WordPress along with Mike Little. Today, WordPress is one of the most popular blogging tools. So name him, it is Matt Mullenweg. Number 6. He is the founder of Yahoo, which is best known for its web portal, search engine, and Yahoo Mail. Do you know him? So he is Jerry Yang.
Edits.
Number 7. He founded eBay.com, an online auction and shopping site through which people can buy from and sell goods and services to other located anywhere in the world. So name is ये है Kyrie Omidyar. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 46. So the chapter is in there, and now let's begin the chapter number 47. Dashing discovers. So match these inventions with their inventors. So let me start. 1. Plastic. E. John Wesley Hyatt. Option is E. 2. Aluminium. I. Vacuum. M. James Murray. Okay. Artificial intelligence. G. Neville and Simon. Global positioning system. Number 5. Virtual reality headset. Touch screen. E. A. Johnson. B. Number 8. Air conditioner. Willis Carrier. D. Number 9. Google and Larry Page. Aryabhatta. F. 0. Aryabhatta ne. 11. Facebook. C. Mark Zuckerberg. Okay. C option. Number 12 is rocket. Tipu Sultan. Okay. Number 13. 13 is laptop. And option is J. Number 14. Calcium. Humphrey. L. Option is L. And the 15. Electric generator. H. Michel Faraday. Okay, everyone. So the all matchings are there, completed here. The chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 48. Russian invasion of Ukraine is one of the major geopolitical events of contemporary times. Take this very informative quiz to learn about Russia-Ukraine conflict. Okay. Russia launched an invasion on its southwest neighbor Ukraine by land, air and sea on. यानी कि कब? ये है 24 Feb 2022. Ukraine was a member of the Soviet Union until, so option is B. Separatist insurgency started in Ukraine's eastern industrial center Donetsk basin in. So the option is A. Russia annexed the Crimean region in. So the option is 4. Option is C. In 2022, Russia recognized these two regions of the Ukraine as independent. So option is A. 6. Which revolution took place in Ukraine during the 2004 and 5? It is B. Orange Revolution. Number 7. Russia's main concern regarding Ukraine is, okay, which concern? Number 7 is Ukraine joining NATO. Which of these countries supported Russian invasion on Ukraine? So the answer is Belarus. 8. NATO is led by USA. Okay, number 10. Russia termed the invasion of Ukraine as, so number 10 option is C. The Russian Defense Forces destroyed the world's largest aircraft. So name is B. AN-225 Mriya. 12. Which of these countries does not share its border with Ukraine? So the option is A. Bulgaria. 13. Which of the following countries have pledged to safeguard the integrity of Ukraine's borders? So 13 का option है C. Which of these is the largest country in the world? A. Russia. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 49. Look at these logos and write the names of the agencies, companies, bank they belong to. 1. HDFC. Number 2 is, it is Mahindra. Mahindra?
Lord, you know that. Sorry. Yeah.
This is MTNL.
Yeah. Imble. Ah.
This is Audi. Okay, number 4. And the number 5 is World Bank. MACD. McDonald. Indian Oil. Okay. And the number 9 is UNICEF. Number 10, Google. Adidas. And this one is World Wide Bank. Okay. So the chapter is in here. The all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understanding all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you.